Hi! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. Today I am going to share with you guys how I make sinigang na ulo ng salmon. That's our recipe for today. And our ingredient, of course, is the ulo of the salmon, the head of the salmon. Oh, look at this one. This is a salmon. And then tomato, lemongrass, radish, and tamarind powder. This is the one that we're getting our sour flavor to our sinigang ng ulo ng salmon. And onion, spring onions, and chili. I have a green chili and the red chili and the pak choy or the Chinese chai. These are our ingredients for our ulo ng salmon sinigang. So, let's start mga cooking ina. Join with me making sinigang na ulo ng salmon. Our recipe for today. We're going to add water in our pot. This is one pitzel of water. But it's up to you guys how much soup you need. We cover first and we let it boil. We're going to prepare our lax fish. I salt this before I'm going to dip it in our boiled water to more tasty our fish. Now our water is starting boiling. We are going to start adding our ingredient to our pot to make it sinigang na ulo ng salmon. So first, we're going to add our lemongrass. We add our lemongrass. I need to cut our tomato. So we're going to cut in this like this. I like a lot of tomato in my sinigang. So, this is a fresh tomato. It's look beautiful, our tomato. Next, we're going to add our onion. And our tomato. Then, we're going to add our radish. Salmon, our ulo ng salmon, this one. So now we boiled our ulo ng salmon. We cover it. Now it's starting boiling. Together with our ulo ng salmon, we're going to add our tamarind powder. We do like this. So, then we try to mix well. We try to mix mga cooking ina. And we're going to add our chili. Mga cooking ina. Boy, it smells very good. Our salmon sinigang. Our salmon. And we're going to check our salmon, mga cooking ina. Look at that one. It's look beautiful. The salmon, mga cooking ina, we're going to make this like approximately 5 minutes when we cook this because it's quick to cook the fish, mga cooking ina. So now, in this mga cooking ina, we're going to add our spring onions and we're going to add. Then we cover and we're going to cook, mga cooking ina. Our sinigang na ulo ng salmon is ready. So now we're going to plate our sinigang na ulo ng salmon to our bowl, mga cooking ina. So we do like this, and then we're going to transfer to our bowl. Like this. Oy, oy, oy. Look at our vegetables. It looks healthy and it's very healthy. So we're going to carefully lift up our ulo ng salmon because it's already cooked. So we do like this, mga cooking ina. The next one. Oy, oy, oy. See, we need to be careful. Mga cooking ina. It smells good. It's very good, mga cooking ina. Look. And we're going to put our soup here. See, mga cooking ina. Look at that one. Oy, 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 it's so beautiful. Where is our salmon? Then, look, it's pretty. And we're going to test it, mga cooking ina. I'm going to test together with you. So, and of course, I need the meat of the locks of the salmon. So we're going to try Horseshoe Good, mga cooking ina. It's very good. It's perfect, the sour of our tamarind flavor. And our lux is, it's exciting. This is my favorite. Wow. Very fresh, the fish, you feel it, the freshness of the fish, and the combination of the tamarind with the tomato and other spices is pang. It's very good, mga cooking ina. So now, look, it's beautiful. And thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen again, mga cooking ina. I hope you like my video, and please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!